Ebuka, I'm talking to you. Stop. Are you the one I'm talking to? You're just going to pretend now that you're deaf. You're not listening to me again. You're not going to answer me. As I'm talking, I'm saying rubbish. Ebuka, stop right there. I'm talking to you now. What is all this? You wake up early, I wake up early. You go to work, I go to work. You pay rent, I pay for foodstuffs. So I don't see why, in God's name, I will cook and you cannot wash plates.
Can you even hear the words that are coming out of your mouth?
Loud and clear.
Amara, you're not sick. You're not disabled. You're at home doing nothing. Nothing at all.
Okay. Well, let me tell you something. I am sick. I am actually sick and tired of you dumping all the workload of this house on my head when I go to work, just as you do. If I contribute in this house, I don't see why you should not do chores. So it should either be 50-50 or you take turns. If I wash plate today, you go wash tomorrow. Like that.
Amara, I never asked you to contribute. Okay? I never asked you for anything. And if you're tired, just stop.
Really?
Stop working. I won't complain. Just stop.
So you're saying now it's a crime that I am now supporting my household? That is a crime?
I am saying that I am capable of handling my family by myself and I never asked for your help.
Oh, please. You're acting as if you were swimming in ceremony before I came into this house. You were not, my darling. And I am doing it because it is my duty to support this family. So if I am doing that, if I am supporting this house financially, please pick up the slack with chores. Let's share it 50-50. I did not say carry it on your head. Let's share it. Let's split it.
Something's wrong with you. Something is very wrong with you and you better fix up really soon.
I hear you.
After I put this nonsense.
You're going. Walk away now. Walk away. That's what you know how to do. Walking away. Mr. Allah, walking. Rubbish. Don't come and wash plates. In this house, I'll be doing work. I'll still washing plate on top. This guy, Janin Jaka. I'm not getting anything for this life. You know, mommy, most of my colleagues, in fact, 99.9% of my colleagues don't have to lift a single finger. Let's look at Amanda. Every single month, her husband buys her a luxury bag. Hey. What about you, Som? Her husband took her to a private island for her birthday this year. I have been married to Ebuka for 1 full year. Mommy, I have cooked, I have cleaned, I have washed, you name it all. The most romantic thing Ebuka has done for me is buy me suya, shawarma, plastic flowers, and unbranded clothes, mommy.
Amara,
what is it?
You're comparing your marriage to surface level stories. You don't even know what happens behind closed doors. Eh? Huh? All fingers are not equal.
You know, it's actually, it's funny, you know, because this same guy used to pursue me like his life depended on it before. Now he's acting like I'm asking for too much because I want to split the bills, because I want to split chores, because I'm asking for 50-50, because I'm now financially stable. Is that too much to ask for? Is it a crime that I'm financially stable?
The commissioner. Wait, let me ask you. Where exactly are you getting this 50-50 philosophy from?
Deborah and her husband. They do everything. They split it. Bills, so chores. You know the funny part? He even does more.
Let me guess. She told you.
Yes, now, of course.
Amara Chukwu. Amara Chukwu.
Nah.
Amara Chukwu.
Mommy.
3 times. You see, this energy you're bringing into your home will not favor your marriage. You and Ebuka are just 1 year in marriage. And you are barely 2 months in your working place. And you are allowing people that are not wearing your shoes to dictate how you treat your husband or choir. You must be a fool. Yes, it makes sense. It's not every story you will practice. So when they tell you, you sieve them. Can't get me water, Biko.
The moment she opened the door, when she saw that it was me, you know, she screamed like as if she saw a ghost. I was like, calm down. Guy, have fun now.
What?
See, I beg you. Anytime you want to zoom out like that, always remember I'm the one sitting in front of you. I beg. Don't go carry premium man like me, join jam trailer now. Abba, I beg.
hear you.
But seriously, what's up now? What's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm good, I'm alright.
No wahala, if you say so. So as I was saying, this babe saw me. I wanted to give her that surprise visit. You know me now, normal, I'm a surprise man. As I opened door like this, she screamed as if she saw ghosts. I was like, ah! I was like, calm down, it's me, life and direct, you know, that kind of thing.
What is that mess? In the kitchen.
What mess?
Amara, don't play dumb with me. I left this morning, that kitchen was a mess. And I'm back now, it's still a mess. The whole place stinks. It looks like a dumpster.
I was tired. Why didn't you just clean it? It's dirty, clean it now. You have hands.
Amara, what exactly is your problem?
I don't have any problem. On the contrary, you actually have the problem. You do actually have a problem. In fact, what is your issue? Because if I remember correctly, I cooked. You ate gladly, safe, because you ate twice. So why didn't you do the dishes? Is there any law written anywhere in stone that women must do the dishes? They must do chores in the house. Is it written anywhere? If it's dirty, clean it now.
I know what you're doing, Amara. And I promise you, it will not end well.
It is you who will not end well. It is you that will not end well. And don't you dare to ever threaten me in your life again. Don't do it. I'm not the one. What are you staring at? You want to come and beat me? Please, my dear, come. Come and touch me. You're looking at me. Bruce Lee, Jet Li. Come and touch me now. For your mind, you shoot me gun with your eye. Dot jump. Odeshi. If something is dirty, clean it. You have hands. Your hand is not plastic. It's hand you have. Wash plate. You will not die. You're not salt. I'm working, please. Okay, so... I can see that someone actually did the dishes and the kitchen is clean. Yeah, look, surprise, your hands did not dissolve. They are still there. Well done. Don't you like it as it is now? Eh?
Unless you're sick or disabled, let this never happen again.
Hold on, no. You sure missed the spots in that side. Keep at it. You don't mean it, like, you really did it. You washed the dishes. I told him it's 50-50 or nothing. Yeah. You did it now.
Well, I can't relate. My husband, on the other hand, spoils me like a queen. Chef, cleaning, spa days. Quarreling over house chores, go for bed. Go for bed. I can't even remember the last time I entered the kitchen. I only enter the kitchen when I'm feeling nostalgic or whatsoever.
She has said this to you like 100 times.
And I'll say it 10 more times. And you, on the other hand, why don't you get a house help?
There's no point now. I'm always at work. I'm never around. I'll not pay somebody to come and be lounging in my house for me.
See, don't mind them. That's how some women, they will invite side chicks into their home in the name of house help. See, trust men at your own risk. Not trusting men, no. Yes, I forget. It's almost 10. Management meeting.
Let's go, Jerry. We'll gossip some over time.
Yeah.
Let me respond to this mail. I'll join you guys.
All right.
Good afternoon.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my house?
I came for the house help interview, ma.
What stupid house help interview you come for?
Right on time. Oh, she was sent by the agency. So we should just interview her.
You're speaking to agents behind my back now. Ibuka, what are we doing?
Okay, Amara. No, okay. Can we just interview her and then we'll talk about this later?
No, we are not interviewing anybody. See, get out.
Ma?
Leave.
Ma?
Get out. Who's your ma? Who is you and you are doing ma? Okay, get out, my friend.
Sorry.
Get out.
Sorry, sir.
What the hell?
What is your problem? You said you don't do house chores. I'm trying to solve the issue and then you're kicking her out?
I never said I was not going to do house chores. I said we split it 50-50. You was not carry one of your nonsense girls come and do side chick for you and before me house girl. In which house? You're whining yourself. 50-50. We split the chores. Yeah, who are speaking to me stupid agents.
Are you even listening to yourself,
No
Amara?
walk. Rubbish.
Amara! What is this nonsense? What's wrong with this girl? Hello, Mama. Good afternoon. Mama, please, I need you to speak to Amara. I normally will not do this, but I've had it up to here. The past few weeks have been hell. Please, just talk to your daughter. I need you to speak to her. I'm calm. I'm very calm. Okay, ma.
I'll repeat it again, Mama. There is absolutely nothing wrong with being a feminist. I refuse to be subdued by a man who will not help me.
The commission, It is only the stubborn fly that accompanies the corpse to the grave. I have told you before, Amara. This thing will not end well.
It will end well for me in Jesus' name. Amen. Mama, times have changed. This is the 21st century. It's not like that your time where women were slaving under men. No. Things are different. We've changed. We're all equals now. Yes.
Hey! NJEMENI, who did this to me? What did I do to deserve this? Your husband told me that he got a maid, but you kicked against it.
Wait. He reported me to you? That's so childish. Yes, I don't want a maid. Honestly, how I run my house is totally my business. Yeah, so since he reported me to you, maybe you can tell him it's 50-50 or nothing. That's it. Every other thing is null and void. All this discussion having.
In case you have forgotten, I only have 2 rooms in my house. And I've given out 1 to my niece. So there is no one left when you come back home.
Who is coming home? What? You don't eat anything? I'm so dramatic, honestly.
Don't agree, a maid into your house. Think about it now. Your husband used to come home before you. Am I right? Okay, one day, he come back home. He's supervising the maid, and then bam, they're sleeping with each other. And you are the last person in this set to know.
My husband is not that kind of person. I don't think, in fact, he's not that kind of person. But still, I would not like to wait around and find out the hard way. So as soon as I saw her, I laid my eyes on her. I chased out immediately.
Exactly. See, if you want equality in your home, you have to fight for it. You see me, I fight my battle by myself. Oh. I really fight. See, my husband, he used to behave like chores, things are under him. For me, I stood my ground. I fight it. Like, I don't even blink. I don't even look back. Yes, now.
So you want to bring the 1960s in 2025?
See, forget it though. If you listen to your husband without balance, my sister, you are reducing yourself back to zero. You're a feminist now. Think about it. Why are you doing yourself?
Yes, I hear you, Debbie. I hear you.
Think about it. Stop dulling yourself. Feminist.
Wait, isn't it today we're supposed to have the meeting with that bridge client?
Oh, that's true. What's the time?
If we don't go now, we'll be late.
Let me get my bag.
Yo.
What's up, man?
Fine, you okay?
I'm good. I'm alright.
Are you sure? I know you when it's work and when it's not work. Oh. Are you sure you're okay, bro?
You're married, right?
Yes, 3 years and counting. Why?
What is your take on this 50-50 in marriage?
Well, depends on what area exactly.
I don't know, in every area. Finances, decision making, house chores, everything.
Well, personally, when it comes to finances, I believe as a man, the bulk of the responsibility should be on you. And if your wife wants to support, no problem. That's like a support, not like a 50-50 thing. Same logic when we're talking about house chores.
Do you know that my wife just declared a 50-50 regime in my house? No notice whatsoever.
Well, just like that.
She just declared it. And I've been trying to talk to her. I told her I'm not comfortable with this, but she's not even listening to me.
Okay, have you tried having a real conversation
She
with
wouldn't
her?
listen to me.
Bro, see, one thing I've come to realize about life is that for any reason, don't let anybody or anyone force you to live a miserable life. Because this kind of thing, it can drain a man. You understand?
Look, I'm miserable. I am very miserable. Every day is one thing or the other. We're fighting all the time. I cannot talk to her. It's like she doesn't even care what I have to say. She would not listen. She would not hear. She just brushes me off and then she just pass.
Okay, bro. This is it. I'm not really in support of divorce. But at times, when your peace of mind is at stake, the best thing is to walk away.
I cannot even believe I'm saying this. But I don't know how much of this I can take. I'm tired.
It's fine. But my own is just walk out. And I'm married, you call her, man. Not be caught now. But cheer up now. Oh, let's enter that way. No time. We shack up. Maybe come all these things for body, bro.
Let's go.
I'm married, you will be caught.
Where are you coming from?
Babe, there was a lot of traffic, so Charles and I decided to just lay low for the traffic to clear.
You could have called.
Yeah, I know.
I was worried.
And I'm so sorry. Okay, I should have called. I'm sorry. Babe. Can we stop fighting?
Look, we're not fighting. I'm not quarreling with you. You're just not being fair to me. You're allowing your chauvinism to block your sense of reasoning.
Why would you call me a chauvinist? Why would you even say that? When you're sick, I cook, I clean, I take care of you. Before you got a job, I would even cook and clean before I leave the house so you don't have to lift a finger. You've been working for how long now? Have I ever mentioned to you to quit your job? Why would you call me a chauvinist?
However you want to paint this in your head, Ibuka, you are a chauvinist. Because why is it so difficult for us to come, agree to a timetable? I cook this week, you cook next week. Or I cook today, you cook tomorrow. Or you clean Mondays to Wednesdays, I clean Thursdays to Sundays. You not even trying to entertain this idea makes you a chauvinist. Simple.
Really?
Yes. Excuse me.
Amara. What's going on? Are we not going to eat in this house today?
Baby, can't you see that I'm actually working?
Okay, so what am I supposed to do? I'm hungry.
I don't know. Order meat pie, pizza, make noodles, something. Do whatever you like. Fix yourself now.
It's 12 p.m. on a Saturday morning, and my wife is expecting me to go and make noodles now. Really?
Ibuka, let me ask you this question, please. Have I ever disturbed you when you're working from home? Do you think they're actually paying me this much to slack off? Clearly not. I gave you options. Pick any of the options I gave you. Now, if you don't like it, order takeout. It's easy like that. You're stressing me, Ibuka. I'm working. Please. Please. Stress person. Why you cannot work in peace? You're eating without me. Now, wow. This your food looks nice, Sha.
Are you done with your work?
No, I was very hungry. I wanted to order takeout and I remembered that you were gonna be in the kitchen, so I said let me come downstairs. Let me go and carry my own. Come in. This stew slaps. Like so nice. Do you know, I remember the first time you cooked for me when we started dating. That your coconut rice that burnt my tongue. This is so good. Well done. Where are you going to now? Okay. Well done, eh? The food is nice. Thank you, baby. Are you serious? Hey, it's a lie. No. No, repeat it again. What? Paris. Baby girl, you are joking. Stop. No, wait. Let me sit down. Let me calm down first. Let me listen to this your gist. Wait. She last year, he took you to this year, Bahamas. Now wow. I thought I don't go snap for Eiffel Tower tea. So hey God. When you're sharing husbands, what happened to me now? Am I a spoon? Anyway, let me be grateful.
Amara.
At least I have my own on paper.
Amara.
What is it?
Can you keep it down? I'm trying to pray.
My sister is okay as well. No wahala. We'll see tomorrow at the office. So your husband is taking you for vacation. Anniversary. Me, I've never seen that kind of thing in my life. What is an anniversary? I don't even know what it means. Anyways, I have to go. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow, okay? I love you. Okay now. Yeah, bye-bye. Now, wow. Do you know that my colleague, she Her husband is taking her to the Bahamas for the anniversary.
Amara, you can see that I'm trying to pray. If you cannot join me, can you just let me be?
Yeah, no. Pray. As I shall pray, just pray to God for the spirit of understanding. Let God give you understanding. Let open your eye for you so you can see and do good things to your wife. I'll continue praying. Amen. It's well. Here we go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, baby girl, this place is not looking bad. I like the decor.
Really?
Yes, it's giving intentional elegance.
Thank you. I actually did it myself. The curtains, the pieces, you know, even some of the electronics, I did it myself too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, girl. I like it. It's so cool. It looks classic.
I just try a little.
Yeah. So I was just in the neighborhood and I decided to say hi.
Oh.
See, hope I'm not interrupting it.
No, you're not interrupting. I actually even need the interruption, so I was a bit bored. I need some gossip in my life, please.
So tell me, Gisney, how is it going? How is the home front? What's happening?
Look, never in my wildest imagination did I ever think that my husband could be humbled.
I told you.
Look, he's so soft now. I'm living the soft girl life.
Really?
I'm not joking.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
I told you this. Men, they like women that stands their ground. Shake them very well. They don't respect woman that does not assert herself.
Exactly.
They respect the woman that stand. You shake them.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, you're right. See, not for you, I would have still been there, washing clothes, doing this one,
Spilling
doing
your
that
skin.
one. I see.
Baby girl.
I see.
Like you.
Back, they walk in this world on top of my head. Well, now,
See.
I'm living the soft life. No more perfect wife rubbish. I'm not doing that one again now.
See, this is all about wising up. Now you are walking.
Yes.
You understand? You
Walk.
wise up.
Yes, I'm
You
very
50-50 or nothing.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Exactly.
Oh, so I have a meeting with Mr. Madu. Do you remember him, right?
Debbie,
Yeah? What?
go on.
So, I'm hanging out with him this night.
Is your husband aware that you're going to this meeting?
And why should I inform him? Wait, girl. Don't tell me you take permission from your husband before you go out.
No. I don't take permission from. I'm a strong feminist.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're very strong feminist.
Yeah, that's the energy, girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's go together.
Together?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Why not? We can definitely go
You
together.
understand?
Yes.
We hang out, listen to good music. You've been walking all along.
Yes, now.
Then you sip some alcohol. We'll be back before dawn.
Okay. Yeah, I need a break. I need it.
Baby.
Debbie. Babes, I'm going out with my friends tonight. I'll be back before dawn.
Wait. What?
I just said I'm going out with my friends. I'll be back before dawn. You do it now. Why can't I do it?
You're going out at this time of the night.
Yes, and I'll be back before dawn, like I said.
And I'm saying, go back upstairs. You're not going anywhere.
Because of what? Am I scared of you?
Because I'm your husband, that's why.
I'm not asking you for permission, no. I'm just informing you out of courtesy, husband and wife kind of thing. Besides, the women I'm going to go and meet, they're all married women, and their husbands don't have a single problem with them going out.
I'm not saying I have a problem with you going out. What I have a problem with is that you're going out at this time of the night and you're just telling me so casually like I'm your flatmate.
Am I supposed to kneel down and ask you for permission? I beg, bro,
I see.
Ebuka, leave me. I don't have energy. See,
You really think I'm kidding?
I don't have energy
You
for
think-
this rubbish. Ebuka, leave me. I don't see. Hey, leave me alone. See, Ebuka, leave me. I said, let go, man. Leave me, John, leave me. What's your problem?
What is my problem?
Yes.
You are my problem. You're my problem.
You see this your gender, I don't understand. Like, you people have a problem. You cannot stand someone being on par with you guys. When you go out, do I give you problems? When you go and even come back late, do I kill you?
I have never come back late because I was out hanging out. Okay, for every time that I've been late, it's because it's either work or traffic. That's it.
I should not go out, Abi. I should not go anywhere, Abi Ebuka. Okay, I won't go anywhere. But mark my words. See, today, I've drawn this line. If you ever go out and come back late, I will change it for you. You will not even know who you are looking at. Try it and see. True. Try first and see. Nonsense. I've put clothes. What are you staring at? Am I a television? Eh? You want to put my pants for me? I beg, give me. Not what you want. I should be depressed at home with you. I'm here. Go.
Babe. 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 Amara. Didn't you hear me calling?
What if I don't want to respond?
This is about last night, isn't it?
Did something happen last night?
If anybody was going to be honest with you, what you were trying to do yesterday did not make any sense.
Ebuka, do you even know the people that are going to be at Hangout? You're an admin. I'm a business development executive. You hear that? Business development. I build relationships for a living. If a client freaking wants to see me at 1 a.m., I'll be there by 12:50 a.m. You cannot trust me enough to handle these situations without interfering, then you clearly do not want to see me succeed. Excuse me, I beg shit.
Babe. Babe. Wake up. Wake up.
What's an Ebuka? What do you want?
We need to talk.
Ebuka, please, I have very early morning tomorrow. Can we shift the discussion?
No, we cannot. We have to talk now.
God, I'm big now. What do you want from me?
I have to be honest with you. I do not like what is going on between us. I mean, you have changed. You are not the woman that I used to know. And I have to be honest, I have had it up to here.
Alright, I have changed. I've changed because I have now woke. I know my rights. I know what I deserve. See, let's tell each other the truth. We are just bitter. We are just pained because I have now evolved. Abi?
This has nothing to do with evolution. In everything, there is a balance. And this one right now, there is no balance.
Then accept a 50-50 marriage. It's simple. Until you do that, Ebuka, we have nothing. And I repeat, absolutely nothing to discuss. Have a good night, my brother. Not with me again, please.
Amara.
Babe? One of the kitchen pipes has busted.
Okay.
What is okay? Come and fix it now.
I don't understand. I should go and fix it. Don't you have hands? You cannot fix it for yourself.
Is this a joke or something? When did fixing pipes become a woman's job? It's a man's job, for God's sake.
Wait, hold up. Did you just say fixing pipes is a man's job? Also, suddenly there's a job for a man and then a job for a woman. I thought there were no gender rules. I thought you said we were going 50-50. Look, you cannot pick and choose when you want the rules to apply to you and when you don't want it to apply to you. You have to pick one.
You're a joke of a man. You're a clown. Where's your red nose? You're a very funny comedian. But if you go and fix the leaking pipe.
Go fix it for yourself and leave me the hell alone. I mean, in this house, there are no gender rules now. Everybody just does what they like. Go fix it for yourself and leave me alone. I'm busy.
You think that is me that is going to affect? It's our house now. This place don't know us act. We will all swim inside the house. You think it's my house? I should go and fix it. What a joke of a man.
Suddenly, you know the rules that a man should do and the one a woman should do.
Feel like don't come and fix it.
You're waiting for me. Charles, my brother. Man, welcome. I'm good. You got me? Hey, this guy. Charles. That's my lovely wife, Amara. This is Charles, my colleague, but now almost like my best friend.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
same here. Lovely to meet you too.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Can you get us something to drink? Huh?
Sure.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
You have hands, you have legs. Why don't you serve your guest? Or is it written anywhere that's the woman's place to serve?
Ma'am, don't bother. Actually, I'm fine.
No, Charles. It's not your fault. Please don't take it to heart. This is between myself and my lovely husband right here, who believes that a woman is the inferior gender and therefore should serve.
Wow.
Lovely to meet you again. Please enjoy your stay, okay?
Wow. You see what I'm dealing with? Wait, just sit down. Sit down. I'll get something. That was totally unnecessary. You didn't have to embarrass me like that.
And you also did not have to embarrass me by painting me as a maid in front of your friend.
How did I paint you as a maid? What did I ever do to you? How did I get this wrong?
Oh my God, I beg. Honestly, I don't have time for this banter. Let's reschedule it, okay? I have a meeting. Excuse me.
I'm your husband and I'm still talking.
Excuse me, I beg you. I'm still talking with you. Bye.
Hello, Mama. Yeah, good evening. Sorry I'm calling late. Have you seen or heard from Amara? No, she's not home. I've been trying to have her number and her phone is switched off. Maybe it's just traffic. I'll let you know when she gets back. Good night. Where are you coming from?
I went out and no, I did not go out late. You saw when I went out, it was early. It's just unfortunate that, a few things held me back, like traffic, etc., etc.
I'm still talking to you. Did I not tell you not to come back late? Did I not?
Ibuka, are you mad or something? I don't understand. You are even dragging my hand from where to where now?
Look, am I an animal? Am I a lion that should be caged in this house? See, we may be married, but I have the right to do absolutely anything I want to do. It's not that deep, I'll be taking permission from you and I'll be saying, oh, can I go and see somebody? I want to go somewhere. Lol. Please, let that rubbish thinking stop. Abi, you see me cheating on you or waiting? I don't understand.
Who knows? I mean, your behavior suggests that.
Audacity to be touching me. I'm not in wildlife now, animal. I should have slapped you more so to enter next time you not touch me again. Who gave you the nonsense audacity?
Okay.
Missed you.
How much?
Like this.
That's not big. Okay.
You do miss me.
All damn day.
Really?
And I got you something. It's not that expensive. It's just there's some.
Baby, it's expensive.
Okay, it's expensive-ish, but it's not that expensive.
I love you.
I love you more.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, what are we?
You're right on time. Your food is in the cold.
Okay, let's.
Your Highness, let me get your bag for you. What are you doing?
Oh, my bad.
You know, you don't have to give me money for upkeep this month.
Oh, babe, I'm already feeling bad that I'm giving you 50K. It's not enough. But you know what? I promise you, the moment I get a good job, I will give you anything.
So cute. But I'm not complaining. I'm actually very fine. I have everything I need. Besides, I can't wait to get a job so I can support you. Mr. Spoiling you to give you money for your upkeep. What do you want?
What do I want?
Yes, I'll buy anything for you.
I love you. I love you more.
I love you more than
I love you more.
Actually, I
I love you more.
You can't outlove me.
Okay, so let's cancel much. Write 50K out. I'll strike it out.
That's fine. Hi. So, I figured out since you've been cooking, it's actually my turn to cook this time around. So, you can go up and freshen up, come down, eat.
Thank you.
Which one
I'm
is
not
thank
interested.
you? I said I cooked now. Why are you saying thank you? I'm not interested. Come, go up, freshen up and come down, eat now. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, is it because I slapped you yesterday? Yeah, no, it's because you provoked me and then you accused me of...
I have a meeting. I just want to freshen up and go for my meeting.
Who has meetings on a Saturday? So you're going to waste all my effort? You should try. If you don't try, I beg you. I'll stress myself for nothing.
You slapped your husband.
It wasn't intentional. It just happened. I came back from work late and he thought I was cheating. I didn't mean to do it.
Hey! Amarachi. Hey! So, you have graduated from that nonsense feminism you've been spewing to hitting your husband, okay? Hey! When the grasshopper is burning in fire, it tells itself that it is producing oil. With your hands, you are tearing down your marriage.
Mommy, I'm not tearing down my marriage. I'm simply just fighting for a good cause. I'm fighting for change, for equality. Is that a bad thing to do now? Yes.
Equality. Don't forget, when Ebuka decides to divorce you, remember that there is no space for you in my house.
Mommy, we're not getting divorced. We've come a very long way to talk about divorce. It's not going to happen. Let's move on from that, please.
Okay. You're not planning to divorce?
No.
But you called me to come and help you. You made me lock my shop. That you needed me.
Yes, I needed to talk to him. He's not talking to me now, not a single word. And he listens to you, so I just need you to speak to him for me, please.
Nakwe chekile. Amarachi. Nakwe chekile. I will leave you with 2 questions that you will answer yourself. 1, the way this marriage is going, you see how it started. Number 2, whatever it is you're doing, is it really worth it? Allah akwalam na shop. I'm very business.
So you won't...
I told both of you, you've come a long way. Why do you need me? Let me kagalam shop.
Hello, babes. How far? Can you talk? Okay, so my husband has not said a word to me since yesterday. What do you mean, and? He's just been begging me now, not giving me silent treatment. It's meant to be groveling, no? I don't know, I don't get it. Beg me now. What's up? What's in your call? Wait, we still... Like, he's not even talking to me. He doesn't eat my food. Me, Amara, he's not eating my food. Can you imagine?
See, typical emotional tantrum. He's trying to shake your stance.
See, the thing is frustrating me. Oh. It's like I'm married to a wall.
It's not that deep now. If silence is his weapon, provoke a response now.
How will I provoke a response?
Baby girl, don't go home tonight.
Yeah? You see waiting? No, please, oh. I have never slept outside my matrimonial home.
Jesus Christ. This girl is so naive. You're so boring. Wise up, girl. See, do something unexpected. He will look for you. He will wonder. Why are you dulling it now? See, don't go home tonight. You go back home tomorrow. You wonder who he's married to.
Deborah, you don't understand. I got into the house and I saw the papers. My husband is about to serve me divorce papers. I cannot lose my husband. Do you understand me? Deborah, I cannot lose my husband. Like, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Tell me what to do now. Eh? No, I can't calm down. I cannot calm down, Deborah. I'm so scared. I don't want to lose Deborah, please. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. Like, I'm so scared. What? Like, I do you but can you? I don't know. Please, just advise me. I don't know what to... Jesus.
Hello? Yes, who's speaking? Which woman? Yes, she's my wife. You know, I'm on my way. I'm coming now. God. Okay, God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Babe?
Yeah.
Ever since we left the hospital, you've been a bit distant. Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. I'm okay.
I can't believe I've lost the last 1 year of my memory.
It'll come back, okay? The doctor says it'll come back. Let me give you something to eat, yeah?
can't believe I missed our wedding.
Technically, you didn't miss it. You just don't remember.
How was it? Was I happy? Were you?
You were on top of the world. And it was beautiful. And you were so happy.
And was I a good wife?
You were the best.
Love you.
I
Oh. See your chubby chicks.
so cute. What are you doing?
Setting the table.
The doctor says you shouldn't stress yourself. You shouldn't be doing that. Come on.
Baby, I'm your wife. It's really normal that I filled your tummy with good food.
I get it, but do not stress yourself.
It's fine.
So you can get better.
better.
Who is it?
Come in.
Do you recognize me?
Yes, mommy, I recognize you.
Okay, so who am I?
She just said, mommy, it's you now. How would I not know you? This man is being dramatic.
You just lost the memory of the last year of her life. It's not the entirety.
Yes. Let me get you water to drink.
Oh yeah.
I'll come in.
Okay. How was the trip?
Fine.
What's happening now? Let's sit.
I don't understand. So if you did not lose your memory, why are you acting like you did?
Mama, you were right. Ibuka was about to divorce me.
Hey! Amachuku! Hey! This girl Ebola, this girl has finished me. What will I tell people? How will I explain to them that my daughter that is just 1 year, 2 months in marriage is about to be divorced?
Calm down, we're not getting a divorce. At least, not anymore.
You shut up your mouth. Shut up again. Hey! I warned you. I warned you, but you will not listen. I warned you, didn't I? Eh?
The truth is, most of my friends and my colleagues, they're all feminists. And they have perfect lives, so just wanted a perfect life for myself.
Hey, you wanted a perfect life. Mumu. You and those your colleagues are even Pama. Oh, look at it now. You have turned into a professional liar and a deceiver. And the worst part of it is that you have dragged me into it. Hey! Amachuku. No, I will not stay. I will go. When Ebuka comes back, you cook up a lie. Like a professional liar with certificate that you are. And tell him why I left. Because I won't stay and be dragged into this rubbish. Oh, Biko, Apagam. Biko.
I don't understand.
That's exactly what I'm telling you, bro. I think this is God's telling me not to divorce my wife. I feel like I have a second chance, bro.
Wow.
We have a second chance, actually.
So you mean your wife has gone back to the woman you fell in love with?
Bro, I can't believe I'm saying this, but you see that accident? Her losing her memory is a blessing.
But what if eventually she goes back to being the same way?
Look, it's that job. And look, it's not like I want to control my wife, right? But I will do everything that I can to make sure that she does not go back to that job or interface with those people. Those were the people that were influencing my wife negatively. That's where the problem started from.
Well, bro, I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for me. I'm happy for me.
Wow.
I'm happy.
Miracle no dey tire Jesus.
Bro.
Wow.
Hey. I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
Before the accident, you had a job.
I had a job?
Yes, but you also wanted to resign.
Okay. It doesn't make sense, Shao. Like, why would I want to resign from my job?
Well, you said they were bullying you. You did not like the way you were feeling. So I took the liberty of helping you write a resignation letter, and I will send it tomorrow.
No! No. I mean, why would you want to resign on my behalf? At least I need to, know the kind of office I was working at and why I want to even resign from the office in the first place.
Listen. There's no point, okay? I don't like how you were feeling when you're working there. And I don't want you anywhere near those people. Listen, it's not good for your health, okay? It's risky.
Okay.
Yeah.
I trust you. Like, Mommy, do you even know how much my salary is that he wants me to resign?
Because me Sean again.
There's nothing like any
Get
me
it,
or
go.
anything, Mommy. There's nothing like shut up. Mommy, I earn 1.2 million naira. 1.2 million naira. See, my plan is, once the delegates come here, I'll just tell them about the accident and ask for some time off.
You have seen it now. There is no action without repercussion. So this is what you get for lying.
Still, why my job?
Are you asking me? I told you earlier to check yourself. This your rubbish attitude started with that's your job. Because you couldn't manage the two. You need to balance your job and your marriage. There are many successful women that are still married. Humble, submissive, loving, and still managing their career without losing anyone. So you decide. You can do it. I know my daughter. Keep up with pride. No matter how much you're earning, keep up with pride. Whatever you're earning is outside. When you come home, you be the wife. No?
Hi, baby.
My love.
Oh.
So how are you feeling?
I actually feel really great today.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Yes. Something to say.
There's nothing. It's just in my bags. Okay.
You got me some
I
something.
got you something.
Let
Got
me
you something.
see. Baby. Oh, thank you.
So, what have you been doing all day?
Watching this movie.
Okay.
Very interesting. Oh, sorry. Wait. Can you go back?
Okay,
Sir?
what's going on? Did I step on something? Is
No,
there
no,
like...
no. Go back. Let me collect this one. Welcome, sir.
Okay. What are we doing? I can really get used to this.
Okay, you.
No, this is how a real couple is supposed to be. I miss seeing both of you like this. You know, this is what I'm expecting at this my age. Instead of calling me to come and settle issues. Honey, please maintain this atmosphere.
What Coraline is Mama talking about? Did we have issues? What issues?
Don't worry about it, okay?
No, she's talked about Coraline now. Were we Coraline? Were we fighting?
Listen to me. Every couple will fight every now and then, okay? Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Okay, come here. Come here.
Are you sure?
I said I'm sure. Can you stop? Let's go back before she thinks something is really happening. Let's go. I can see you're watching TV.
Listen.
I was wondering if I could talk to you for a little bit. Yes.
Okay.
Mama, I'm sure you're surprised to see me and my wife this way. I know you're also wondering why I'm lying to her about our marriage. The doctor says that she doesn't need any stress, that her memories will return naturally.
Is that why you're lying to her about her job? Knowing how much she loves that job.
On my part, to be honest, I don't want her memories to come back. I feel like life is giving us a second chance. And I want to be selfish for once. I don't want to lose my wife. I cannot lose my wife. Not again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey.
Baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, calm down. Why are you apologizing?
I don't know. I just feel the need to apologize to you. I'm so sorry.
Okay, listen to me. You do not owe me any apology. Okay, I just told my man. Those fights were just little fights and they were not your fault. Okay, so stop crying.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Come on, Icha. My fine wife.
Oh my God, Amara. Oh, so sorry about the accident, and I'm so sorry about the memory loss.
Oh, yes, please.
Wait, you just call my name. You know me?
No, I don't know you. Please, come on. Sit down. I don't know you.
Are you sure?
No, I don't know you. Who are you?
Your colleague from work.
Oh, thank you for coming to visit.
You're welcome.
Should I offer you anything?
Oh no, don't worry. Let me just take my leave. I decided to check on you. Well, since you don't recognize me.
Sorry, I can't remember. Sorry.
Lest I forget. Chialuka died last week.
Yeah? She and her husband was supposed to carry her to Singapore. What time happened?
I knew it. I knew you were faking it. I knew you did not have memory loss.
Sorry, colleague from work, can you leave,
Instead of
please?
you to just stop all this drama and then tell the truth, what's your problem? You have to resign like that.
Please, Deborah, colleague from work, I don't know. Please, leave.
I'm leaving.
Babe. Are you okay? Is something wrong? But what's wrong? Why is your face like this now?
How long?
I don't understand. How
long, Amara?
Huh? Babe, at least listen to me now, please.
What? I just want to know, was it fun? Was that laughable?
No, not at all.
What kind of a person are you? You cost me my peace. You disrespect me in my own house. And then you fake an accident and then you pretend to have lost your memory?
No, I didn't fake the accident. The accident was real. I lost consciousness. I was hospitalized. All that part was real.
You shut up, you lying piece of shit!
Baby, please, I'm begging you. Can we just talk about this, please?
I don't want to hear anything you have to say, okay? You had no right whatsoever
You
to
are going to divorce me now! Please divorce me.
You knew?
Yes, I knew. I came home and I saw the papers and I panicked and I was scared and I got into my car and I had an accident, and then when I woke up in the hospital, you're speaking to your lawyers and you're saying, okay, hold on till when she gets better, and I felt like, okay, this is my second chance, let me take it. I don't want to lose this man. I beg, please. I'm not ready to lose you. I don't want to lose you ever. Please, baby, can we just fix it?
It still doesn't give you the right to do what you did.
Baby, please, let's just talk about it. Please, I'm begging you, please.
I'm going out now.
Ibuka, please,
By the time I get back, Amara, I want you gone.
Ibuka, please, let's just talk about it. Please, now, Ibuka, please. Please.
She lied to me, man. She lied to me. I feel so stupid. I feel like a complete fool.
Wait, who lied? What happened?
My wife. The whole accident and losing her memory things were all lies. Every single one of them were lies. Do you think that I resigned for her? Told her a lie about her job. And she let me do it. Well, all this while, I'm sure she was just laughing behind me.
Ebuka, I know you too well. And I want you to be real with me. Did she agree for you to resign for her?
She did. What is your point?
Then she's changed.
She changed how? Or she was just trying to protect her lies? She didn't want me to catch her now. That's why she agreed.
Wow, Amara. That's serious.
I feel so stupid. I feel like a complete fool, like an idiot.
That's just...
Hey! Yawene. Have you seen it? Now Ebuka will think I am in on it. He would think I helped you to deceive him. Hi. Ebuka is a good man. Ebuka is every lady's dream man. But yet, you allowed him to twist your mind with this so-called feminism that has taught you to destroy your home.
Please.
Don't please me. A child that refuses to listen to wisdom would dance in the market square. I warned you. I warned you about this energy. I told you that this energy will not favor your marriage. Didn't I? Whatever decision Ebuka takes, you and I will not blame him. Because you, Amarachuku, you have destroyed your marriage. Ola. to pick my things and go back to my own husband's house. The house I built in peace. The house I lived with my husband for 30 years. If not for death, we would have still been together. Unlike you that is barely 2 years.
Why are you still here?
This is my home.
This is your home. Do you pay rent here?
I'm sorry.
It's funny that now you're begging me. I remember begging you over and over and over again.
Baby, please.
Did you ever listen to me?
I'm sorry. I swear to you, I have changed.
Of course you've changed. Amara, you looked me in the face and you told me that if a client called you, even if it was 1 a.m. in the night, that there was nothing that I could do to stop you. You, a married woman, you disrespected me, you crushed my ego. Because you know that I would never lay a finger on you. Let's not even mention the lies and the deceit.
But, baby, if I had told you the truth, would you have forgiven me?
Yes, I would have forgiven you. You know why? Because I love you. The old you, not this you. This you, I can't even stand.
Rebecca, please.
So either you leave, or I leave.
Oh.
Either way, you are getting those divorce papers.
Please. Baby, please. Please. Can I just say a few things to you before I leave? Ebuka, you came into my life and you changed it. I was just a lonely girl and I didn't have anybody. But then you came and you showed me true, pure love, raw, undefined. And I took it for granted. You made me see myself in ways that I've never seen before. And I'm sorry. If I could turn back the hands of time, babes, I will run and I will hold you tight. I'm sorry. I should never have let pride come in the place of love. I should never have let ego sit in the seat of honesty. Just because one partner has a job or earns more does not automatically make that partner the head of the family. I know that now. I should never have disrespected the vows we took at the altar. I was not a great wife. I lied to you. I deceived you. I was proud. Baby, the only reason I pretended to lose my memory is because I didn't want to lose you. I wanted to just start on a clean slate. And I didn't know how to do it. That was the only way I knew how to do it. And I'm sorry. didn't know any way better. Ebuka, I love you yesterday, I love you today, and I will love you forever. I only pray that the next person that comes into your life loves you, cherishes you, doesn't make you feel bad in any way, values you. Because for me, I'm going to cherish all the memories we have together, because they have been the best part of my life. Once again, I am sorry. I'll take my leave now.
Why can't I let you go? Even after the hurt, the pain and the lying, like, why can't I let you go? When all of that was going on, I kept telling myself, if I could just walk away from this, just end this. But I couldn't. Because I can never stop thinking about you. This house it's just a house. You make it a home. I miss you.
I miss you.
I miss us.
I miss you.
You know what? Let's start afresh, okay? This clean slate.
You forgive me?
Yes. You deserve a second chance. Our love deserves a second chance. Sorry.